Hey tubers, this is Robert 28, 1979. Well, she's on there. I got her where I wanted her to take the wheels and tires off. So that part's done. Went in the house, did a little digging around on my computer desk and found my remote for my winch. So now I'm gonna hook it up so I can set this boom down, get my winch off, my chain off, and got me some air in the tires, so she's aired up and ready to rock and roll. I'll take and get my other chains down there, my boomers, and chain and boomer that thing down. Then I'm gonna load the bucket up. That's gonna be a chore. Get all this little crap, and I got some more crap along that back wall that goes to this skid steer. The radiator's back in that corner. I'm actually going to pull the steel off because that's a solid copper core radiator, I believe. So sorry about the camera view here, but trying this one-handed by myself is kind of a pain in the butt. Get this set down here. Oh man, sorry for the shakiness of the camera, please. Bear with me here. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to try to hold you under my chin with this camera so I can do this. You're going to see how it's working. I hope y'all guys are in frame because I can't see. Oh. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to drop y'all guys. Hope it didn't hurt. Let's do it this way. Hot's on. Let's get to the wire, see if we can get you in frame there. The highlight of the video, clamping them in, yay. Alright, she's clamped in. They'll have enough clearance here to clear through. Let's stand back here and let's watch the action. What do you say? Alright, going down. Huh, that was a whole lot of action, wasn't it? Oh man, look at the nest up going on up in there. Well, I guess there ain't gonna be very much action because gotta get that thing a little tighter there. I'm gonna pull on this down. Oh boy, there's my phone. Oh, give me just a second here, guys. I'm gonna let y'all roll while I answer this. Yes, dear. Just messing with the skid steer, getting loaded up, doing a video. Yeah, YouTube video. I got it on the trailer, wheels and tires off. Fixing to get my winch off. A couple other little things. Load the bucket up, this other crap, those two four-wheelers, and head this thing on down the road to the scrapyard. Yeah, well, it's already, what time is it? 12 o'clock? Yeah. Well, I guess I can sit around and wait till 3 o'clock and drag this up there.
You said you would.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if it'd be alright. Well, I'll tell him not to pick them up. I may just go pull them out early today, just to spend a little extra time with me. I'll make sure he does all of his work that he's got to do. Okay, we'll call the school and find out, because I'm still about 45 minutes away from having this done, tied down, ready to go. So, got that from Tony yesterday. I traded him the wheels and tires that were for the skid steer for that stereo to go in the Cavalier. because the one in the Cavalier is a piece of junk. So
I fully agree.
I got that one for that, and that dual spool valve body I pulled off of this skid steer, I traded that to him for those regulators and stuff. So, because I'm not gonna get, they're too big for what I want. They're way too big, and he needs it for his little dipper. This exact same one on it. It's fine. I take a pain pill and muscle relaxer and all that stuff, and I feel good. I'm doing it smart. I'm using winches and everything else, and not trying to do anything heavy.
Yeah.
So.
You have your MRI tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am. At 8 o'clock in the morning. So.
Do you know the results of the MRI?
I have no clue. I guess when the doctor calls me and tells me they've got it back and sets me up for another appointment for an overview of it and sends me to a specialist. So.
Okay.
But yeah, call the school, find out and everything, and then call me back and let me know.
I will.
Alright, love you, dear. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. I'm sure y'all didn't mind hearing the conversation of me talking to my wife. Whole lot of fun, but got these regulators. Y'all heard in the conversation. I traded that valve body there, which is the dual spool valve control, for these regulators to a buddy of mine. And so these tires, I traded those for a car exterior for my wife's car, so I'll get a video of an install on that too. So I'll probably do it this evening. But be honest with you guys, I hate to see this thing go. I just, with everything that's gone on with my back and everything else, man, it's just, I ain't got the time or the money to dump into it now, and oh man. The way I look at it, once everything goes through, which good news is we did get refinanced on the house, so that helps a whole lot. But I may just try to sit back and income tax time go down to Austin, down San Marcos area where my grandpa's at, and give him $2,500 and pick up the family backhoe. It's a Massey Ferguson, which will do a lot more than this, but same shape. It's older than this, wore out, but it starts runs and they still use it, so it just sucks. I wish I could have held on to this and at least, you know, advertise it, parted it out or something, you know, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. It's got to be what it's got to be, so that's what it's going to do. So, anyway, you see, y'all see it's on the trailer. I've got it sitting on 4x4 blocks. I'm not sure how they're going to unload this when I get it up there. They may use the grapple machine and try to lift it. I don't know. I don't know what the capabilities of the grappler is that they got, which I will ask them when I come through. I'll stop and ask them if it's okay if I film the process of them removing it off the trailer and stuff, if they'd be alright with that. If they are, then I'll do it. If not, then I won't get no video of it. So but I got a few more things yet to do. So, and due to the phone call, I've kind of lost train of thought what I was going to do. But anyway, I'm going to get this arm down, this lifting arm, get my stuff off. It's already 9 minutes into the video. So, this is going to be a 4 or 5 video day today, guys. So, hope you have time to watch them all. So, keep watching for the next one.